Hi friends, welcome to our podcast channel.
Hi, hello friends. The lockdown continues and I hope you're enjoying your life. Life has never been the same before, and I believe post-lockdown, as I call it PC, post-corona, life will never be the same. This is your friend quiz master Rajib coming with another series, this time about motivation. I hope you'll enjoy it, and believe me, in these times when you think about a person, a lady, a little girl called Wilma Rudolf.
Hi friends, you are listening to Storytellers, the stories which can inspire, teach and motivate you. Stories can be same, but the storytellers are always unique.
Okay, let us see who Wilma Rudolf. Wilma Rudolf was a black Negro girl born out of abject poverty at the state of Tennessee. When she was 4 years old, she had bouts of pneumonia, scarlet fever, and she was paralytic. Now, because of poverty, it was a very tough thing, for such people. Doctors said she won't be able to walk again. Her mother, who had a very turbulent life whatsoever, raising children, was a very strong lady. She had an absolutely different idea. And so was the little girl. Their determination was unbelievable. We're listening to the story about Wilma Rudolf. Her mother asked the little girl in braces. She was in braces because her leg was paralytic and curved. What do you want to become in life? The little girl echoed tremendous grit and determination and said, I wish to be the fastest girl on the planet. At the age of 9, against all the advices of her doctors, her mother removed the braces from her feet. It was very painful and agonizing. Wilma started walking, and under the guidance of her mother, she started running. Remember the scene, that wonderful scene from Forrest Gump? I think something rings a bell. At the age of 13, Wilma participated in her first race and she came last. Did it dampen the spirit of the feisty girl? I presume not. At the age of 15, the story started unfolding. The indomitable dream of an indomitable lady started maturing. At the age of 15, she went to Tennessee State University where she met her coach. She told him that she wanted to become the fastest woman on the track on this planet. The coach replied, with your spirit, nobody can stop you. Then it was a long, arduous journey. A journey of grit, determination, tears and toil. In 1960 Olympics, Wilma Rudolf, the paralytic girl, became the fastest woman on this planet by winning 3 gold medals in the 100-meter race, 200-meter race and 400-meter relay. Would you have believed that a paralytic girl could have won 3 gold medals in the Olympics? Wilma Rudolf did not see herself as a cripple, but she saw herself as a winner. She took control of her destiny and went after her dream with a vengeance. Along the way, she had to overcome challenges and discouragement, but it was worthwhile when she collected her 3 gold medals. If a crippled person like Wilma can make it big. Friends, what can stop you from attaining greatness? The past cannot be regained, although we can learn from it. The future is not yet ours, even plan it. Time is now. We have only today. We have the potential within us. All we need to do is to believe and take the necessary action even when things go rough. So I hope this lockdown period has toughened you, made you stronger to fulfill your dreams. We'll come back with many such stories of inspiration. Your friend Rajib signing off for now. Stay happy, stay safe, and stay healthy. Thank you.